How to delete and remove all likes on Instagram. 2026. Have you ever looked back at your liked history and realized your taste has changed? Whether you're trying to reset your algorithm or just want to wipe your digital footprint clean, manually unliking hundreds of posts one by one is a nightmare. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the official, built-in way to bulk delete every single like on your account in seconds without using any sketchy third-party apps. In 2026, Instagram has made managing your digital footprint much easier through the Your Activity dashboard. We'll cover how to find your entire interaction history, how to filter for specific dates, and how to remove those likes for good. Step 1. Open your Instagram profile and tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open your settings and activity menu. Step 2. Scroll down to the section labeled How You Use Instagram and tap on Your Activity. This is the central hub for everything you've done on the platform. Step 3. Tap on Interactions and then select Likes. You will now see a grid of every post and reel you have ever liked, sorted from newest to oldest. Step 4. To delete everything, tap Select in the top right corner. You can now tap individual posts, or to move faster, use the Sort and Filter option at the top to select a specific date range, like all of last year. Step 5. Once you've selected the posts you want to clear, simply tap the Unlike button at the bottom of the screen. Confirm the pop-up, and Instagram will process the mass removal instantly. Here is an expert pro tip. If you are trying to fix a broken Explore page, don't just delete your likes. Go back to the Your Activity menu and select Not Interested. Clearing your Not Interested history along with your likes gives the algorithm a total blank slate to start showing you better content. By using the official Your Activity tool, you've successfully cleaned up your profile without risking a shadow ban from third-party cleaner apps. If this helped you tidy up your digital life, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2026 tech tips. Have you ever found a like from years ago that totally embarrassed you? Tell me the story in the comments below.